Shubor nakaslem jong unong san Hima.
Kapuli puthi kadai kawai ni kabadon kam tam jong ni ka jok ka bamenta. Namar dailing ba ka jingnang jing start baki samla kin sungo thu. Bat kin jo ru ya ka thong ka baki don ban pen orlong ha ka jingim ka jongki. Ban kin ti ya kapuli puthi ka Mairang Presbyterian Science College Mairang hane ka singi ka kan jo say way pat mau jam kata ban Plie ka BA honors course ha ka ni ka college. Ya ka ni ka course bathamai lawan ban Plie da umentri ka tanat puli puthi. Rakkam Sangma ha ka jingdan lang jong nong ai bit ka tanat uba echam shangpliang ki officer ki nong pet ya ka ni ka college ki samla puli bat ki kiwe. Ha bakran na ka ni ka sngi na kaliang Rakkam Sangma ula ai ka jingero ka sien jam jong ka college ban Plie sa ya ka course bathamai na ka benta ka jingmantoy jong ki samla puli jong ka dong ka than. Hadian baka balang bat ka managing committee kila treshitom ban kinti ka puli puthi bat karpar ru ya ka sarkar ban kintop lang ya ka ni ka college kom ka People's College ka sarkar kan sapet bania alor ka ni ka jingdawa namar ki don shibon ki college ki bala karpar ya ka sarkar ban kintop lang ula kantu ya baro ban duai khanang baka jingkwa jam ki kan urlong ha ka ni ka sngi la yo ru ya ka jingkran no nong ai but jong ka tanat puli puthi uba echam shangplyang panaki wei ri rang ba jong ka balang Presbyterian Mairang.
From the Statistics Department. The department is during 10 questions.
And all my dear students, friends, and ladies and gentlemen, on this auspicious occasion, first and foremost things, I would like to bring the greetings from our Honorable Chief Minister, the entire cabinet, and the government of Meghalaya on this auspicious and very historic occasion of integration of art stream, that means the BA course in this college. And also on my behalf and every one of us, it's my prayer that this college, as has been grown, will continue to shine and to grow in the days to come. Just before we coming in, a reverend and the principal was talking to us that numbers is just 400 and 500. Don't be discouraged with the number of our students in study. So I always used to say, the quality of the church, the quality of any institutions does not measure with the size of the buildings and with the size of the students in the congregation. But the quality of any institutions and the church, we can see, it's a testimony of the blessing, the testimony of the commitment those in the behind the scene and who have sacrificed for the cause. I think today I'm pleased and I'm honored to present the award and would like to congratulate the college, the staff, and my dear students who have performed well in the various academics, session, and examination in the previous years. And this is a testimony of this college. And it's my prayer that our young boys and girls, those who have received their words today, it's a testimony of the commitment of this college and of your service and your sacrifice. And it's my prayer and my request that you continue to shine and that your testimony be inspired to many across the globe. I always begins with a story, but I'm not a storyteller. So 2 months back, politicians we used to receive the calls of any kinds. I think he didn't go to school. He called me from Tura. Brother, I want your help. Sir, please help me with some financial assistance. because I am in urgency. I asked, what happened to him? What happened to you? He told me, sir, I admit my wife in the hospital. I asked him, where is the hospital? In which hospital? I asked him. Sir, I admit my wife in the mathematics hospital. He told me. So it sounds good, so I recorded. Please tell me the name of the hospital again. He said, sir, in mathematics hospital, Tura. It was maternity hospital, Tura. I been present such area. Look, there are many of such kind. But thanks to Almighty, thanks to God, that the Christian missionary from overseas, including Reverend Thomas Jones, who is the father of the Khasi alphabet, God sent the missionary to this region and to make difference in many millions of our life today. Had it been not so, imagine how we had been able to do. Our cause members are saying today, remember the good things, remember what has been done for us. Because of the blessing of the Almighty, to the church, and I today would like to I'm grateful to the church leaders and Presbyterians, all the reverend and pastor, not only the gospel, but for our knowledge that built up this foundation and that established this, only the science college in 12, 13 years back, 15 years, 13 years back, 15 years back, in 2007 if I'm not wrong. I did the objective, and the founding members are still here this afternoon. And they are satisfied today, and they are the most happiest person today. How? Because they want to see the glorious improvement, the what you call difference in life of many families. By seeing the recipient today, by seeing the performance of the students of this college today, they are satisfied today. They are happy today. And their sacrifice, their commitment, and God really answered the prayer of the men and women of God. Therefore today, I would like to request all my young students, let us continue, be unique and a difference in our life, in our struggle. In the many years back, not now, in 30, 20 years, in our church, in many of our churches. So, if you fail thrice, people advise, why don't you go for the pastor training? This happened. It is so also, right? It has happened. I don't know yet it happened or not. During many 20, 30 years back in our community, in our churches, those failed students used to go for theological students and to come back and become the pastor. Which is not correct. We should give to the Almighty the best that we have. And only the people say only the art students can become the MLA and the politician. That strike my mind. I'm worried whether I can become a politician only because I don't study art. But I'm always love to be a politician, and I am afraid. And after my postgraduate, I searched for the job, and I even cleared my MPSC for the highest lecturer in higher secondary college. But I don't know what happened. My appointment did not get because because of not availability of the vacancy. I waited for 1 year, but did not happen. After 1 or 2 years, I went to the MPC and to the directorate. It says, your validity is over. And no chance for me. But I was never disappointed. I kept going, I started serving people. I never expected to become a minister today. But I always love to serve the people and love to the people. Maybe because I want to serve with the best that I have. Maybe this is a blessing from the above. It's like a miracle to me. Therefore today, what I want to tell to my young friends today, there is no boundary to reach the destination that God set for. But we have to struggle. We have to struggle. Therefore today, after coming in new education policy, and this college has taken the step to introduce the humanities department in the college, and to make everybody a multidisciplinary students. By physically, I'm a multidisciplinary students. I do better during my college time, and the third year, I don't know. No, in the third year, we don't have English. If I'm not wrong, we have a Mairang environment. I don't know, now it's there, still there. In our college, we never, in a whole year, I never attend, and we never had a Mairang environment class. Whole year. We sat for the exam at the end of the year. What happened? I don't know how I got, but I very much love to read the books here and there. I always love to read different books. But the Mairang environment question is very easy for me. I have scored 85, but I never attended the class, single class in my third year BA. It's my interest. It's my interest. Therefore today, the new education policy has to give you the forum that you can choose any department, any subject. And I'm thankful to this college for understanding the niche of the students. Therefore, this new education policy is coming just to bring up the standard of the knowledge. Knowledge. The house, the power of knowledge. We have many potential students, but not able to produce the best. Therefore, my young students, I want to request each one of you, let us be the best among the best. And therefore, the Government of Meghalaya Education Department is also going to introduce many different subjects and many different disciplines. And among them, we want our children, the students from our state, to learn more local contents. As a college students, everybody should know about our culture, our practice, our drinks, what we speak, how we dance. I think every student must be able to know our traditional dances, traditional practice, traditional different what activities that we have. Therefore, in order to present ourselves the asset that we have, it is our responsibility. Therefore, with the mission of local to the global, we must present our culture, the tradition to the global standard. Therefore, let everyone at the global stage must learn about our culture too.
Time ahead of us. And if any changes can come, it will come under this government because we have very able leaders to lead, able people to administer, and very experienced hands in the department. We understand the problems that the people are facing in the education department. We understand how the private stakeholders are doing their best to bring up the education in the state of Mairang. I must tell you, Honorable Minister, all our children who are sitting here are all gold mine for us. They are all gold mine. They can bring laurels to the state. They will do wonders. In my last speech, I was just mentioning that there is a shortage of science and maths teachers in the state. There are many schools in the plain belts who have to bring science and maths teachers from outside the state. Now, sir, we already have a gold mine here. These children will go out and take the place of those teachers who come from outside. That is why it is the responsibility of the government, it is the responsibility of the management to give the best to these children. They should be supported. They should get the facilities that the government has prepared for each and every student of the state.
Bawang day makin long tak graduate aki science makin late pun hikai jingkeng ne hikai science sampai ki school nrei ki yok de kalat ban penkret ya mentaki exam IAS lane MCS. Nori don kami yakin officer ki administrators hak sokar Pilaban mundur Bamdalajan nadu ar hajar khaklai hadu mentang im sumdon iwe isamla khasi ne jentia ne garo papasik IAS tekalong de gerdu ni dan kami ikikul samla gini bekindang le asu kane ini jockey competition Lasha Habadan ki CUET exams ki don sejuwe ki kenjar exams juga link online kita baru ini ki competitive exams ke bangi.com bangi tunduk bangi nyo akan jingkip kelum kalau the general knowledge yang kita jumpa